how to make a brand maker by using this app brand maker, to make a logo, a 3D logo, and a lot of things. A lot of template are here, a lot of template. You need to choose a lot of template, and you can search. You can even search. You can search it, something like technology. You can search it. So let's see. Mm. So you need to on your data before you can use this app, because of it even use ads. It even use ads. So you need to switch on your phone to use this app. So I want to use another template. So let me use this template. ICT. Let me write my company name, MD Ashefa ICT Center. Wop, 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 wop. You so you edit it. You can edit it backward. You can put it backward, downward. So fonts, text, backward, downward. So that's it. So that's it. That's all about brand maker. When you want to add an image, you can add an image. So what's the sake of this class? Let's not use an image. My ads. So you can add your art, text art, a lot of things there. So like something like this. So shapes, a lot of shapes, which you can add them. So graphics. So background, you can add background. You can add background. Is the one that is suitable for you. Say this another background. So you can add the background. When you finish, then you save it. You save it. Good. So alright, that's it. Success. That's it. You already save our next thing. So that's all about it. And you can go to settings. You go to brand profile. When you go to brand profile, you write your name. Muhammad. Slogan. Technology. Website. You can write www.mg-ict-center.com. 8 Gmail. You write phone number also 030 70 85 65. So that's it. You write your address. You write your address. Namadi Sambo Road. So contact person font. This one is not necessary. So because then you choose an update now. That's it. You have update your, so any logo you want to create now,